Today we get to go even more upmarket as we get to drive this 1949 Bentley Pininfarina. Now there was only 3 of these ever made, 2 being fixed heads. This one is the only drop head coupe. So we're going to get it out on the road, show you how it runs. The coachwork of this beautiful Bentley was created by Pininfarina and tailored for a right-hand drive Bentley Mark VI chassis. The coachwork was created from aluminium, making it much lighter than the standard steel-bodied Bentley sedan. The engine is a standard 4.2-litre straight-six unit with twin SU carbs. It has a 4-speed manual transmission and assisted all-wheel drum brakes. The car has won many awards and comes with comprehensive documentation, including Rolls-Royce Enthusiast Club certification and Bentley factory build sheets. So with any Bentley engine, and this being a 4.2, you would expect this car absolutely purrs when you're cruising along. It's so comfortable. So if you'd like to book a test drive, come and have a look at the car, then please do give us a call at JD Classics and we'll be more than happy to show you around.